Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how much taurine you should take. Taurine is a naturally occurring amino acid that supports many vital bodily functions, from your heart and brain to your muscles. While your body produces some taurine, many people choose to supplement for added benefits. We'll explore common dosages, safety considerations, and the best times to take it, helping you make informed decisions for your wellness journey. For general wellness, a common daily intake of taurine ranges from 500 milligrams to 2,000 milligrams. This amount is often enough to maintain optimal levels and support various bodily functions, including energy and cardiovascular health. Most capsule or powder supplements are designed to provide doses within this effective and well-tolerated range for daily use. If you're an athlete or have specific health goals, higher doses, typically between 1,500 and 3,000 milligrams daily, might be considered. For most healthy adults, a daily intake of up to 3,000 milligrams is widely regarded as safe for long-term use. While some research has investigated doses as high as 6,000 milligrams, it's crucial to approach these higher amounts with caution and expert advice. For optimal absorption, it's generally recommended to take taurine on an empty stomach. You might consider splitting your daily dose, taking some in the morning and some in the evening, to support both focus and relaxation. Remember, before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications, always consult with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.